Good morning. It is Saturday, and Karen and I don't usually wake up this early and be out. No, it's like 9:30 in the morning, but I have convinced him to accompany me to the Le Creuset family sale happening over the weekend, and I told him that we need to go early because I'm preparing that it's gonna be like really crowded. So I told him like you need to be prepared, like mentally prepared. But so
Look what she
he
made me do. Early in the morning, have to drive.
thank you.
Still so sleepy.
Thank you.
I'm still having a very good dream just now before I was rudely woken up just to get ready to go out for this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't lie,
Really say thank you say.
No.
Like
no
my
thanks.
husband really love me a lot. Woohoo, alhamdulillah.
No.
Oh my, so much resistance. Okay, anyway, the sale is at Suntec. I don't know how much we can film, but I have a strategy. So what I did was yesterday was the first day of the sale, and I looked through if people shared like screenshots or like views of that, like the poster, right? How much on and where I can find and all that, right? I screenshotted those and I kind of shortlisted like at least,
Screenshot.
screenshot. I screenshot two like whatever cake. I have no idea. Maybe it's just short, but you get what I mean. So I kind of know what I want to get. I'm eyeing for two things. One is for myself and one is for my cousin. And
Nothing for me.
yeah, you will end up using the pot anyway that I'm gonna get. But yeah, so that's what I want to get, and I do not know if there's anything else that will pique my interest over there, but definitely cannot buy too much lah. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't know how the crowd is gonna be like. From the videos, it seems quite intense, but I hope that the fact that we came early or we are coming early would be beneficial, I guess, because it starts at 10:30. Yeah, it starts at 10:30. So, yeah. Baguslah ada husband macam Masya Allah. Semoga diberkati Allah. Dimurahkan rezeki. Buat isteri dia happy. Amin. So, we'll see when we get there. Alright, it's 10:53. The thing opened at 10:30 and we are out with our loot. Really grateful that we managed to snag like really good deals and things that we wanted. But I wouldn't say it's as crazy as Table Matters because I think they crowd control quite well. I think I was the first one there to check out because I knew what I want and I just take, then I just go. So if you spend, I don't know when this is going to go out, but we got an additional 5% off because we bought more than 5 items. So yeah, I'll do a haul later. Ta-da!
First haul of the day done. Now we're off to a little bit more errands. So we're going to look for a present for Hira and Firis, probably. But more Hira because Hira already listed what she wanted for her birthday. Her birthday is not today. Her birthday was like a week ago. Was it a week ago? Yeah, almost a week ago. So we're going to go to some game shop and look for the things that she wanted. Because some people are gamer life these days. Yeah, just now I mentioned that we were going to get presents for Hira and in the form of games. And then we passed by Aftershock. And then we went in we saw Mesh, because obviously Mesh is a keyboard brand from Aftershock. We went in straight, and then we saw displayed keyboards over there and over here, and few rounds of test later, yeah, this was what happened.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
What have we done?
Oh dear.
Ayah, cannot lah like this. How ah?
I don't know leh.
Okay, bye. Hey, finally got Hira's present. Did you get anything from
No.
Cots?
Don't
No.
have.
So yeah, this dude, she gamer lah. So yeah, she wants Metroid Prime, Pokemon Violet.
I don't know
I
anything.
cannot relate to Pokemon gamers, and a replacement Switch joystick. Yeah, joystick. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Oh,
Okay, now for some lunch.
hungry.
Alright, we're ready for lunch, and for lunch we decided to go to this Turkish place at Suntec. It's called Lezzet. Very nice place, and the food here is really, really nice. Turkish Lezzet house. It's at a corner in Tower 3. Tower 3? Yeah, Tower 3. What was it? Yongsin Teochew porridge. Yeah, very nice food over here. So if you want to get your Turkish fix, rather than going to Arab Street, alright, across Arab Street, the food most of the time it's overhyped, especially on the kunafa side. So we ordered a
Kebab salad.
kebab salad.
So good.
So good, right?
So flavorful.
So it's rotisserie chicken. You have lettuce. What's this? Red cabbage.
Yeah, pickled cabbage, I think.
Pickled cabbage, and the sauce is extremely nice. And this goes for like $13. And
A
the
lot.
Turkish bread, oh my god. How can you not have Turkish bread if you are having Turkish food? So good. Okay. Now it's time to makan.
Alright, so we are back. I'm filming on my phone and on the Osmo, so sorry my eyes. But we are back and I want to do a Le Creuset haul. So I have 2 bags here. Oh my, this is too heavy, but I'm going to show you what I bought for myself and also some sneaky little gifts for people around me. So let's go. Okay, first up is something that is not for me. It is for my cousin. So Ika, this is a sneak preview. Okay, so she couldn't make it to follow me, so I helped her get this, and she wanted the flower teapot set. In photos, right, it looks very like, okay, but oh my god, when I saw it, it was so nice. Okay, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. Look, so cute, right? Oops, sorry. Then it comes with like 2 cups. Okay, I'll just take out the teapot to show. Balls. And then you wait. Look, got the flower on top. So cute. Oh wait, then right, for the cups, they got like the teacup holder. Look. So I can put your cup like that. So cute. Okay, I have to pack this back now. So that's for my cousin. This was originally, what's the price? I don't know what is the original price. I have to pack it up and I'll show you how much is the original price. But this is my cousin's, and I was more than happy to go and get it for her. And then, oh wait, let me show you how much it costs. It was, original price was $249, but today it went for $89. What a steal. Okay, now on to the other stuff. I'll go to the small things first, then I'll share like the big ticket item. Okay, so I didn't plan on buying these things, but they just caught my attention and I couldn't help myself. So I saw spoon rests. So I use this quite often when I cook and I put like my ladle, rest it somewhere before I pick it up again. So I saw and I couldn't help myself. I got one for myself that is like in a purple heart shape. Oh, so cute. So this was originally $66, but today it was $29. So this is what it looks like. It's a heart shape. So when you like cuckoo, then you want to make it rest, right? Then you just like put your spoon there. Oh, so cute. Okay. Then the other two, I also got spoon rest, but what like both, I won't be keeping both of them. They are both like gifts. So, but I want to show because it's so pretty. Okay, I got flower shaped ones for the other two. They are like gifts. So I show you how one looks like. I open the pink one. The pink one is super cute. I won't tell who is this for, but I'm just gonna say. But look at that. Isn't it so cute? Oh, it's so pretty. And then I got the other color in yellow. So I'll show you the yellow one. Look, pretty, right? So yeah, this was a little bit more expensive. This was actually, you know what, I don't want to say because it's a gift, right? So I'll just keep it to myself. But it's definitely, all I can say is it's more than half off. Okay, and last but not least is the thing that I've been wanting for very long and I've just been waiting. I don't know why this placement is here. Sorry, I didn't see that. But I've been waiting for us to have our own house to buy this because it's like kind of like a dream of mine, like, oh, when I have my own house or when I have this, right? And it is the Le Creuset hot. Okay, so I didn't get the round one. I got the oval one actually, and I got it in the color, what did I in the color Cecil Greige. It's the oval shaped 23 cm one. And this was originally $669, but I paid $279. And today, if you buy 5 items, you get additional 5% off. So this is the color of the pot. I'll show you. So this is what the pot looks like. Ta-da! God, it's so pretty. Alhamdulillah, I'm really pleased with my loot. And yeah, I think it's so worth it. Whoever who's going tomorrow, my recommendation is please go early. We arrived at like 9:45 and queued up. I just saw the Instagram at like 4 something and the queue was super long. So highly recommend to go earlier so that you can just like buy and go. And if you can go to the Instagram, see what you want, and then like so that when you go there, you just zoom to what you want and just straight away buy. Because if not, you're going to waste a lot of time to like browse and stuff like that. So, alright, so that's my Le Creuset haul. Don't think I'll be purchasing from Le Creuset for a while, but really pleased with the purchases.
Alright, so that was the first haul of whatever the heck that we bought today. The second one, this is in my realm. Okay, so what did we get? If you are in Mesh, in Aftershock, of course, you're going back with custom keyboards. So this time around, we've gotten custom keyboards by this brand called Zoya. Right, so we got this as the board. I gotten new sets of keycaps to go with this new board. And the colorway, the keycaps that I decided to go with is the Arctic colorway. And it's very grey and somber in color. There we go. Because most of my keycaps, they are all very like lightly colored, like either beige or white or very light colors. So I decided to go with something a bit more dark this time around. Haha! And then I fell in love immediately with these switches. It is called the gravel switches. This is linear. So I'm always going around with talkie sets of switches. So this time around I thought I'll just do something a bit more clacky. And not just clacky, something fast. Because wow, the actuation force on these switches when I was pressing on the sample ones, it was very fun to press. And this will be definitely very nice to play while gaming or while typing. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to build the bots. And Tiara gotten herself.
So lucky me, my husband spoiled me today by first go and wake up so early, bring me go buy my pots and crockery, and then he bought for me new keyboards also. So I got the same one as him, but I got a different color. This time around, I chose a very me color. Usually, like my bots are quite basic. It's either white, black, blue, but mine is, later you see, it's purple. And then with that, I got colorful switches also. This is by, what is this?
Echo.
Yeah. So I'll show you what it looks like, but it's called Fairy. It has like purple, pink, and like light blue, and it's really not me. I always like something that is very like neutral.
Yeah, this one, the colorway is very nice.
Yeah, it's like a very, I wouldn't say that it's yeah, it's kind of cutesy lah, but I think it's a colorway that I don't have. And then for my switches, I got the Echo Creamy. Is it this one? Blue Pro. Blue Pro.
Wow.
So this time I got something that was very, very talky than what I usually go for. I like my previous switches, that like the last two switches that I bought, they are very, what do you call that? I am not as good as Karen at describing it, but it's not super talky, but it's not like silent as well. I do not like clicky keyboards, so I stray away from that. But this one is something different. I think the only talky one that I really have is the other one at Mommy and Daddy house.
I think it was the Jake Moyu.
Yeah, it's by Moyu, but I forgot what Moyu it was. So yeah, I'm looking forward to building our keyboards, new keyboard.
All right, so now opening up our various keyboards.
Oh my god, this is like my favorite color. I love purple. So this is mine. It has it's like a purple plastic base. It has a knob, which is, I don't have a knob in my first knob.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I don't have a knob one.
Oh, yeah.
And over here you have your other stuff.
Which is the connectivity.
Oh, connectivity.
So you
Then this
got
one?
your Bluetooth 2.4G or cable, and this is the dongle for 2.4G.
And it's wireless, by the way.
And if you want to get it wired, you can. You just have to
get the wire low.
Yeah, connect here to your laptop, and then switch this to cable mode.
Yeah.
And then this is a toggle between the
Mac and PC.
keyboard layout and a PC
Alamak,
keyboard
apa ni
layout.
kotor? But I must say that off the bat, this is a very light build.
Yeah.
It's very different than what we used to have.
Yeah, I think that's one of the reasons why I wanted to buy a lightweight one, because I want to make this as portable as possible. And the ones that I had is mostly very heavy aluminium form factor, and those definitely cannot be brought out elsewhere because it's just way too heavy. So it sits at our desktop.
I want to show yours. This is Karen's one.
This is mine. So this is RGB. First, before we input all of the switches, we are going to mod the keyboard. Let's do it! And of course, the most important things for you to have before you mod are all of your modding equipment, your printer state, this one, magnet plate for all of these small little screws. This is very, very critical and essential, okay? Because all of these, when you remove, it has to go there. Because if not, it will roll down the desk, the table, whatever, and then it will take you days to find where the screws are. All right, and then of course, we got our keyboard kit over here. This is an assembly kit. You got your loops, you got your keyboard retractor, your puller, your switch puller, and all of the very, very important items, right? All inside here. So, if you guys want to mod your keyboard, you can come over to our place. We'll charge you very, very affordable rate. Yeah? 2 free drinks.
2 free drink, 2 only.
Yeah, 2 only.
Free flow water.
Free flow
and
water?
keropok.
Really? Free flow water? Later they take their laundry and wash their clothes out.
Yeah.
Yeah, no free flow water. So sparingly and at a logical rate. Yeah. Okay. So come over to our place. Okay, now let's mod. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. We hope you've enjoyed that one. If you do, remember to give it a like. And if you're new to this channel, I can consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Here's Khai and Tiara signing off. Till our next video, see you guys then. Bye.
Bye.